Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove add to cart from products on Wix. Let's get started. So in order to do that, we first need to scroll down until we reach the option for our product page. So this is my product page, and as you can see, there is an add to cart option right here. Now what we can do is we can click on this specific gallery right here and then right click. Now, once we have right click, we can click on the settings, and then this will open the slider gallery. Now, under the slider gallery, we can see the settings. So click on the settings, and then from there, just scroll down, and in here, you can see the add to cart button. So as you can see, the show button has been turned on. So let's try to uh, disable this. Then as you can see, the add to cart button has been turned off right here. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!